So good day everyone. Today, I'll be talking about a topic that greatly affects our daily lives but is often taken for granted: sleep. My informative speech is titled Sleep Matters: How Our Condition is Affected by Sleep Deprivation. This discussion will focus on what sleep deprivation is, its causes, its negative effects, and the recommended amount of sleep we need according to health professionals. Sleeps play a vital role in our overall health and well-being. It allows our body to recover, helps our brain process information, and keeps our emotion balanced. However, in today's fast-paced world, many of us, especially students, sacrifice sleeps for studies, social media, or work. What we often forget is that losing sleep is not just about feeling tired, it's about affects how our mind and body function. Causes of sleep deprivation. The causes of sleep deprivation are common in our generation. Late night gadget use, academic pressures, caffeine intake, and irregular schedules all disrupt our sleeping patterns. Some people even think that sleep less means being more productive, but in truth, it slowly harms our health. Effects of sleep deprivation. The effects of sleep deprivation can be serious. It leads to lack of focus, poor memory, mood swings, and weakened immune system. It can also increase the risk of anxiety, depression, and even physical conditions like high blood pressure or obesity. For students, this means lower academic performance, less motivation. Ways to prevent sleep deprivation. To prevent these outcomes, professionals recommended getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, keeping a regular sleep schedule, and avoiding gadgets before bedtime. Remember, rest is not a reward, it is a necessity for a healthy and successful life. And last, sleep truly matters. It affects the way we think, feel, and perform each day. Let us all remember that take care of our sleep is take care of ourselves. A well-rested person is not only productive but also healthier and happier. Thank you, and we all start giving sleep the importance it truly deserves.